This is section 1.6, reading to learn mathematics. They have some key terms up here. And they ask you to just fill in some blanks for reading the lesson. So complete each sentence. An equation that you can use to find the area of any rectangle is an example of a formula. The distance around a geometric figure, that's its perimeter. The number of square units that cover the surface of a figure is called its area. And that's really what we did in this section. We found perimeter and we found area using formulas. The four-step plan is a problem-solving method. Part E, the formula P equals L plus W plus L plus W can be simplified to P equals 2 lengths plus 2 widths because the opposite sides of a rectangle have the same measure. I guess you could say length as well, but it's weird saying that the widths have the same length. Number 2, for each of the following state the formula you would use and give the answer using the correct units of measure. So we're basically doing everything we've done in this section already, just in the word form of it. Part A, find the area of a rectangle with length 52 meters and width 10 meters. So what formula are you going to use to find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. The length's 52, the width's 10, just multiply them. Don't forget your unit. It's got to be squared. Part B, find the area of a parallelogram with a base of 8.5 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters. Area equals base times height for area of a parallelogram. So we're going to take 8.5 times 5. Again, that's an area, so square the units. Part C, find the perimeter of a rectangle when the length is 22 and the width is 13. Perimeter is 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So we're going to do 2 times the 22 and 2 times 13. $70 yards would be your perimeter, first power on the unit. Part D, a square has a side length of 29 inches. Find the area of that square. Now, you might say, well, we don't have a formula for area of a square. But we kind of do, because a square is a rectangle. But it's a special kind because all of the sides are the same. The length and the width are equal. So your length and your width are both 29. Okay, number 3, list the steps in the 4-step plan for problem solving. For each step, write a sentence explaining the step. Well, that might sound really confusing and it might seem like we didn't really talk about it, but if you go back to your study guide, right at the top, they give you the problem solving plan. Okay, so explore the problem. That means you identify what you need to know. Number 2, plan the solution. That means choose a strategy. Number 3, you're solving the problem, so use that strategy to solve. And number 4, examine the solution or check your answer.